Good morning, everyone. It's Monday morning here, guys, and we're gonna be cutting logs today. My husband went and bought a lot of logs, so we're gonna be cutting 3 by 3 today. So I'm so happy that the truck is fixed, and now we're getting ready. He's getting the machine set up so I can start cutting. If you're new to our channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and also hit that bell, that way you will get notification whenever I upload new videos. I upload recipe videos or travel videos 3 times a week, and I do my daily vlogs. So our channel is always busy with videos. I have a lot of recipes that y'all can try, and that's pretty simple and easy for the family. And if you're returning subscribers, everyone, thank you for joining here with me today as we enjoy this Monday vlog. Yes, it's Monday. I hope it's still Sunday. So I'll be back, everyone. The sawmill, guys, just right here in our yard. This is the kind of not my favorite side of the house. That's why we put the sawmill here. And my husband is gonna off bear on me today, as always. And this is the slabs that we need to cut. Alright, everyone, for our dinner tonight, I'm just gonna make some of this. I'm gonna bake this chicken right here. It's the chicken thighs that I bought from Foodland today. And then I'm gonna put some potatoes. I'm using 2 different potatoes, that way it's a nice color. So this is about 3 of the yellow or white, how you ever call it, then 3 of the red. Then I'm gonna season this with Italian seasoning, garlic salt, black pepper, and small onions right here, and then carrots. And by the way, my chicken, I season this with dill sauce, garlic salt, black pepper, Italian seasoning, and steakhouse seasoning. And then I'm gonna fry this, well, I'm gonna sear this in my big skillet. And then once I sear everything, I will bake this in 425 for 30 minutes. So it's pretty simple dinner tonight, everyone. So I'll be back. Guys, Charlie's helping me clean the table to get it ready for our dinner. She is so good. Say hi, Charlie.
Hi.
She's gonna take all the garbage that's on the table, her toys and stuff, and then wipe it, spray it. Gotta get rid of my other stuff in here. Thank you. Good job, Charlotte. Thank you for helping Mommy Char.
Thank you, Mama. I like doing this.
Good.
And Daddy don't even let me do it.
Yeah, Daddy let you clean. All right, I'm gonna continue. I'm gonna continue cooking, okay? All right, everyone. I sear my chicken, and I just keep doing this, and then I'll bake this for 30 minutes. Brown rice going right here, so we'll start with our chicken. And then I'm gonna be making chicken adobo. I season this with garlic salt, black pepper, soy sauce, dill sauce, and lemon juice or lime. And then I'm gonna put some cut some onions and potatoes. All right, everyone, my kitchen is busy today. Yes, I'm cooking. I'm gonna bake that chicken right there, and I got rice going and a pot for my adobo. It's busy kitchen. Alright, guys, our dinner is cooked. My chicken, I end up baking this chicken for 40 minutes, and this is how it looks. I love the color. Oh my goodness, I did it so good. And then we're gonna pair it with the zucchini and yellow squash, since we have a lot of zucchini. Pair it with the brown rice as well. Oops, that's hot. And my chicken adobo with a twist. I put okra in it and 2 boiled eggs. Well, you normally put boiled eggs. So it looks good, everyone. Alright everyone, my husband in the finishing cutting the logs today, since I had one customer that came to the house and ordered some pictures, and so I'm so proud of my husband. I know it was a lot of work, but he finished it. And Charlie and I, we went to Food Line and buy some groceries, which I'm gonna have a different video because I don't want it to be too long. Then Charlie and I, we made our dinner. Our dinner was so delicious, guys, so delicious. So thank you for watching everyone, and I will see you all again on my next video. Babush.